Welcome back to another video. So this is the set of nails I did in either my last video or the video before that, using the full cover tips and the builder in a tube. So I've done my other hand off camera. Can't you tell which hand I've used the Born Pretty no scratch top coat? My left hand is the Born Pretty scratch resistant and my right hand is just a regular top coat. I won't tell you which. But yeah, look at that top coat on the left, and I've had these on a few days actually. Anyway, so let's get started. So I obviously top coated them in that video. So I'm just gonna buff off all that top coat and yeah, just buff off all that shiny surface. I'm only gonna do my left hand on camera today. I'm gonna do a bit of stamping and a bit of freehand. I'm sorry, my partner's out, so the dogs are gonna bark. So I'm using an 80 grit. Quite a harsh grit at first, then I'm going to go over it with a softer buffer just to get them a little bit smooth. So I'm just cleaning them off there with a nail brush and some alcohol. So I'm using my Umikk colours today. This is 207, really nice creamy colour, I like that. And I'm using one of my black bottles, 126. I've never used these ones, I don't think. Cute pink. So I'm going to get these base colours put down. I'll just show you one coat and I'll do the second coat off camera. And these Umikk gels, they cure in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. So I've pulled out another Umikk 275 and I'm just going to put some of that on my palette because I'm going to freehand. I wanted a love art with daggers going through it, and I didn't really. I had a stamped imaged heart and I had a stamped imaged dagger, but it would have just been so much faffing. So I thought I'll just freehand this one. I'll just show you doing one sword, dagger, whatever you call it, going through the middle. Because the other two are exactly the same, just going in at different angles. So I'm starting by just painting a pink love art, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds before I do anything else. So now I'm just going to go over that heart with a matte top coat, because painting straight lines over that, they're going to be wobbly. So I'm just giving it a matte top coat just to smooth it out, and a matte top coat is so much easier to paint on anyway. So I'm just going to draw this sword. I kind of want it to look like it's going in the middle of the heart and coming out the bottom, if you will. So I'm painting it in black. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to put a little bit of silver going over the sword part of it, just to make it look like it's metal kind of thing. So that's that done. Can you see I've done 2 more swords going through each side of the heart. I like it. It's really cute. So I'm going to do some stamping now. I'm going to stamp this snake, and I'm finally getting to use my She Modern sticky stamping polish that Cammy sent me. Oh my god, guys, this was my first attempt. I didn't have to wipe it off and do it again at all. So I literally just put a blob on that snake. I did 2 swipes, and every last little teeny weeny bit of that snake picked up, even its little tongue. So I'm just using a lint roller, a sticky paper roller thingy, just to get all them bits off that I don't want. Look at that, even its little tiny tongue. This stamping polish is amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. Look at it. Perfect. So that pattern on the back of the snake, I wanted that pink. I have got a pink shimmery She Modern one, but I didn't want the shimmer. I wanted it to look the same colour as the love heart that I just painted. So I'm just using this pink that I've got from More You. This one is called Pink, believe it or not. So yeah, I'm just colouring in the pattern on the back of this snake. I wish I would have stamped the snake in pink and coloured the pattern in black. You couldn't really see this pink, but make sure you let this dry before you stamp it on as well, guys. So that's it done. So I'm just going to leave that to dry for a minute or 2, and then I'm going to stamp it onto this pointer finger. I do faff to get it lined up. This was actually meant to go on my middle finger, and I got mixed up. The heart was meant to go on this finger, so it was a little bit of a squeeze, but we fitted it on. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm going to do some more stamping videos with that stamping polish, because that's what always puts me off, having to keep doing it over and over. So this is going to be a game changer, this stamping polish is. Right, I'm going to do some more stamping now. I'm just going to get these 2 nails sealed in with a top coat, and I will let you watch me do some images on the other nails. Right guys, that's all my stamping done. So easy. That stamping polish made it so easy. No faffing about, just scrape it, stamp it and stick it on the nail. Perfect. So I've just used some rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to get some gems stuck on these now, and then I'll give them one last top coat, and that'll be then finished. So I'm just going to get these top coated now. I've already top coated the snake and the love heart, so they didn't need top coating. So I'm just going to top coat these other 3 nails. Okay, that's them finished. I really like them. I like them a lot. Yeah, I wish I stamped that snake in pink. But it's alright, it still kind of flows, doesn't it? I love them lips. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.